Now it's very heavy. The ball is very heavy. You can't. You're very heavy playing basketball. Now you're a giant. No, not yet. You are. Do it very fast.
Light.
Very light. It's very light. You're very strong. Dancing, dancing. Like the hippo hippie. No, you're a giant. Un gigante. Yes. You're a giant now. Destroy, big boy, destroy everything here. Dancing, dancing. You're playing basketball. You're playing. Dance, dance. Right here, in front of the camera, right here. Very good, very good. You're looking down, look down. Okay. Now, you are very, very, very small, bien pequeñito. You are very small. Dancing, dancing. You're looking up, 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 up. Look at the camera right here. Turn around. Play basketball. With a very big ball. Because you are small.
It's very heavy ball.
Yes. Now normal, back to normal. Back to normal. Dance, dance and play. Okay, exhausted, finish. Bronson, Bronson, Bronson. Yes, Bronson, Victor.
Otra vez nos hicimos chiquitos. Otra vez nos hicimos chiquitos. Otra vez.
Look at the camera.